Mix Coca Cola with onions, and you'll never need medicine again. If you're between 20 and 70 years old, this video is for you. We'll start the video by dicing a red onion, as I'm doing here. Onions are a source of potassium, a mineral that contributes to the normal functioning of muscles and the nervous system. Can you tell me what city you're watching from? Let me tell you a little about this wonderful vegetable. Onions are on the list of functional and advisable foods that help prevent heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and improve the immune system, strengthening the body as a whole. Now we are going to put our onion in a frying pan. Then we will add a Coca Cola. We bring to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes. If you've made it this far, leave a comment saying Coca Cola, so I know you've watched our video all the way to the end. But why drink Coca Cola? Coca Cola is an aphrodisiac, slimming, analgesic, anesthetic, anti-asthmatic, antibiotic, anti-carcinogenic, antidiarrheal, antiviral, anti-vomitive, bactericidal, cardiotonic, healing, and depurative. But of course not in large quantities. Some studies claim that Coca Cola can improve memory and heart function. Now let's analyze our mixture. Although the cough itself is not dangerous, you have to be careful, as it can be the first symptom of a more serious illness. With this remedy, we guarantee you will feel better in just 2 days. Our herbal tea is ready. You can take it every night before going to bed and fight the flu quickly and effectively. And don't forget to tell me from which city you are looking at me so I can say hello and give you a kiss. Make this wonder. I'm sure you'll love it. Mix Coca Cola with onion and you'll never need another remedy again. That's right. If you're between the ages of 20 and 70, this video is for you. Coca Cola is an aphrodisiac, slimming, analgesic, anesthetic, anti-asthmatic, antibiotic, anti-cancer, anti-diarrhea, and anti-diabetic. So much for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget that it is also essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, exercise, and good sleep are as important as natural remedies. Take care of your health, and this type of treatment can be an excellent complement to your daily routine. Cheers and goodbye.